Merch by Amazon is it's a business idea. It's a way to make money online, and you're essentially creating designs for t-shirts, sweatshirts. It could be for mugs. It can be for all different types of products, essentially.
It's called print on demand because it's printed when the customer orders it. So you don't have to ship items to Amazon. You just upload a design.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Raiken Profit over at RaikenProfit.com, coming back to you with another video. I am here with my good friend, Helen. How you doing?
Good to see you. I'm doing great.
Helen's with Merch Money, and you started selling on merch how long ago?
Selling on merch? I signed up the very first day it came out. Well, very first month anyway. Chris Green was talking about it all the time.
Got it.
So I signed up in the middle of an FBA shipment. It was in September. You're getting ready for Q4. It's stuff everywhere. He said sign up. I'm like, okay, I'll sign up. And then that was it.
Yeah.
Like I went right back to my shipment and right back to FBA. It took me a year, and I remember, were you one of the ones that did they shut your account? Or some people, they got their account shut down for
because
inactivity.
I wasn't super active, so they shut it down.
Yes. I had uploaded a shirt 1 month before you said that. So I made it by 1 month so that they didn't do that to my account. So I think it was end of 2016 that I uploaded my first shirt. So I did it very part-time. FBA was my main thing all the way until one of your meetups in 2018. I started taking it a lot more seriously.
That's cool.
And started Merch Money. I had gotten, for anybody who knows merch, they have like a tier system. So I had gotten up to the 2000K tier. And then I just love it. I've just been much more focused on it the last year and a half.
So Merch by Amazon is it's a business idea. It's a way to make money online, and you're essentially creating designs for t-shirts, sweatshirts. It could be for mugs. It can be for all different types of products, essentially.
It's called print on demand because it's printed when the customer orders it. So you don't have to ship items to Amazon. You just upload a design. And then anytime somebody wants to buy it, Amazon or whatever platform you upload it to prints it out and ships it to the customer.
So can anybody do this right now?
Yes. Anyone?
Is there approval?
For merch, there's approval. So for other platforms, Redbubble and things like that, you could open an account right away today. Merch, you have to apply. It's a little unclear how they approve people. There's definitely people that get declined, and we can't figure out why. So unfortunately, we don't know exactly.
So apply.
But definitely apply, and you can apply again even if you get declined. But merch is a great opportunity, but there's 40 or 50 other platforms. So it's not the only opportunity.
So there's a lot of people watching right now. They're selling on eBay. They're going to thrift stores. They're selling on Amazon FBA. They're going to garage sales, auctions, estate sales. And, it's great. We love it. The treasure hunt. We're going out. But a lot of times people get home or maybe they go on vacation and they're looking for ways to make money, and they, obviously they have to shut their store down. Or if you're FBA, that's fine, but you're still not sending stuff in unless you have employees.
Right.
With Merch by Amazon, print on demand, let's talk about the opportunity to be able to work from home. Let's talk about the opportunity to be able to work if you wanted by the pool, right?
Yeah, you can work anywhere. Anytime I go to conferences, it's so nice to not have to go home and do this massive shipment. It's nice to not have physical inventory. It's the kind of thing where I recommend starting it on the side. So while you're doing FBA or eBay or anything you're doing, OA, wholesale, anything, it's an easy thing to add on the side. Even if you're YouTube, you could put a Raiken Profit shirt under your YouTube channel. It's the kind of thing that can go alongside a lot of different businesses, and it's very easy to test. Because if you start getting, some of your audience might do private label. When you get into private label, you have to order large quantities of an item. With merch, you can test it first. So you can see, do people really like butterflies on shirts? I don't know. You test it first and make sure there's a demand for it. And then if there is, it can help you make private label decisions, help you go that direction. Or it can help you decide to take that shirt from merch and put it on Etsy and put it on KDP and put it on all these other places, Redbubble.
How much money could you make with Merch by Amazon? I know you help and you mentor and you're friends with a lot of people in the community. What's the opportunity?
Most people start fairly low. So most people make, you know, a couple $100s a month or something like that, and most people do it on the side. Even if you only make that, it's the potential to keep making it month after month after month. So it's an extra couple $100s. Some people go all in and they spend like a lot of time and they really develop, they research, they do everything, and they can make thousands and thousands of dollars. I mean, there is no limit. It's just like anything else. You upload designs and you can make, I mean, if you get a shirt on the front page of merch in a trending topic, so something to do with the election or something to do with, you know, something that a lot of people are searching. You know, there was somebody who made, I think they made like $70,000 off TikTok off a shirt. They said, "Okay, boomer," and it went viral.
I know someone who made over 40,000 because you get it. It's for some reason it just gets picked up.
Yeah, the Eclipse was something that was
Yes,
huge.
that was another one. Who was it? They made like 50 or something.
Kim Jensen.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's many people that are making thousands and thousands of dollars, but it's the kind of thing that's cumulative. So right now there's many people like that. I think 5-10 years from now it'll be more like millions because it just keeps adding on itself.
So I have a good friend of mine. When did I meet up with him? Where were we? I think I was at the Traffic and Conversion Summit last year, and this guy had like over 3,000 designs, and he was making over $10,000 a month profit. He didn't make one design. So he had a team of virtual assistants, and he would hire all the designs. Well, first he would hire somebody to use, I don't remember what software, but there's softwares out there that help you to make decisions. He would hire someone to come up with all the ideas, then they would pass it off to the virtual designer, then they would pass it off to someone who would upload it, and then they would pass it off to someone to optimize. He had a whole team, and he scaled to over 10,000 a month, and I was like, wow.
Yeah, it's pretty.
It's not easy, but.
Yeah, I was trying to pick the right words. Like, I don't want to put people's expectation that that's going to happen, but I think it's very nice to have something that is, I know people don't like the word passive, and it definitely doesn't feel passive because you're making all these designs, so it's a lot of work, but something that will pay you if you're not doing anything. So it's upfront work that will pay you later on, which I think it's really nice to build some of that on the side while you're doing FBA, while you're doing eBay, because you just never know if you're going to get hurt, if you're going to, you know, get some kind of flu or sickness or something. So it kind of helps you prepare for retirement, prepare for just anything that might happen. You know, your mother, somebody might get sick and you want to go spend time with them. This kind of helps you have supplemental income to keep you going if you can't do your other businesses.
Is there anything new with Merch by Amazon now? Because I'm kind of leading you into what we were talking about at the hotel.
I was asking him if he knew about this platform.
Yeah, I didn't know. Tell everybody about that, Ignite.
Yeah. There's a brand new platform called Amazon Ignite. For all of you that have been on Amazon a long time, you know Amazon is always trying new things. They're always growing. So Amazon Ignite is similar to Teachers Pay Teachers. It's a platform to upload printables, basically, items that teachers could print out and use in their classrooms.
Oh, wow.
So
people making money with it?
I mean, it's brand new. It's like 2 weeks.
So has anybody sold anything yet?
Most people were still in the getting approved process.
Is Chris Green all over it?
No, he's not.
Chris Green's out. Chris Green, come on, man. I know you like to jump on those. Chris Green's a genius. I love. By the way, he sent me a picture the other day on my phone, and it was me holding up his arbitrage book from 7 years ago, and I'm like, hey man, I'm trying to learn it. This is before like I even had YouTube and stuff. He's awesome.
He is awesome.
I love you, Chris Green.
Yeah, I've met him several times. He is awesome. Oh, speaking of him, we'll plug him. He gave us merchmoney.com. I asked him if I could buy it from him, and he ended up just.
He's the modern day Russel Brunson. Russel Brunson bought Mastermind.com for Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi, and that's how they became partners.
Yes. Yep.
So maybe Chris Green's going to be a Merch Money partner one day.
We'd be happy if you ever want to do that. But yeah, it's an exciting opportunity. We're all still learning it, so I don't want to say if it's good or bad yet. I mean, it's brand new, but I mean, apply. It's another thing where you can use some of your designs and then just change it around a little. So if you have graphics, you just add, you know, something educational as part of it.
Sometimes you've got to put your hand in various cookie jars to see what works for you, what you like, and all because it works for us, it might not work for you because you just might suck at it or not be passionate. and vice versa. You never really know. Sometimes we have special talents that we're not aware of until we try something. It could be writing, it could be graphic design, it could be public speaking. So thank you so much for sharing this opportunity, Helen. Check out Merch Money. They're on Facebook, YouTube,
Instagram. We have a podcast. We have a website.
It's going to be all linked up.
Green.
Chris Green again. It's going to be all linked up down below. But you're crushing. I know you have a couple partners as well that are helping you out with you.
Christina Sisson. She's amazing.
I always see you on with like a bunch of people. Like it's like always a party on YouTube.
Yes. So definitely come hang out with us. We'll help you get started.
Absolutely. Thanks so much. And keep on picking and making that money. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.